Today we'll start the new chapter decimals. If there is a point in the number like this, then the number is said to be decimal number. A decimal number has two parts, the whole number part and the decimal part. The part before the decimal is called whole part. This is the whole part. And the part after the decimal, this is called decimal part. Now we have to find out the decimal places of the decimal number. This is a decimal number, so we will count the number of digits after the decimal, means 1, 2, 3. 3 digits are there after decimal, so the decimal places of this decimal number is 3. It has 3 decimal places. Now the like decimal and unlike decimal. If the decimal places of two or more numbers are same, like 6.73, 5.25 and 15.373, so here the decimal places of all these three numbers are same, 2, 2 and 2. So these are the like decimal. These are the like decimals. Now the unlike decimals. Unlike decimals are the decimals in which decimal numbers in which the decimal places are not same, like 5.3, 16.375, 256.45. Here the decimal places are 1, here the decimal places are 3, and here the decimal places are 2. These numbers have the different decimal places, so these are the unlike decimal. But we can convert the unlike decimal into like decimal. The maximum decimal places is 3 here, so here we can put 2 zeros and here we can put 1 zero. So now all these 3 decimal numbers become a like decimal because now all these 3 numbers have the same decimal places. Okay. So now comparing decimal. For comparing the decimal number, first we'll compare the whole part of the decimal number. Like this is 26.75 and this is 35.75. So first we'll compare the whole part. Here the whole part is greater, so this decimal number will be greater. If the whole part is same, like 26.75 and 26.35, whole part is same, then we'll compare the decimal part. This is 75 and this is 35. Which one is greater? 75 is greater, so this number will be greater. 26.705, 26.075. Here the whole part is same, so we will compare the decimal part 705 or 75. 075 means 75 only. Which number is greater? 705 is greater, so this number will be greater. In this way we can compare the decimal numbers. Now how can we convert a fraction number into a decimal number or a decimal number into a fraction number? First we will find out how can we convert a decimal number into a fraction number. Decimal number into fraction number. Suppose the decimal number is 2.45. So here we will write the full number, the whole number as a numerator 245, and then we'll count the decimal places 2. So in the denominator we will put 2 zeros with 1. So the denominator will be 100 and the numerator will be 245. Now if they are not co-prime numbers, then we will convert it into the simplest form. We may cut it by 5. So the fraction number is 29 upon 20. Now 29 and 20 are the co-prime numbers, so this is the simplest form. Now how can we convert a fraction number into a decimal number? Suppose the fraction is 1 upon 2. The fraction number into a decimal number. Suppose the fraction is 1 upon 2, so we will try to convert the denominator into a multiple of 10. If it is not possible, then simply we can divide, but if it is possible, then first we will try to convert the denominator into a multiple of 10. 2 5s are 10. If you will multiply both numerator and denominator by 5, then the fraction will be 5 upon 10. Now how many zeros are there in the denominator? 1 0. So before one digit in the numerator we will put the decimal here. Okay. If the number is 275 upon 5, then we will multiply it by 2. (550) upon 10. So there is a 1 0 in the denominator. So what we'll do, we'll put the decimal before one digit. We'll count the digit from the right hand side. Okay. If we'll count from the left hand side, then it will be wrong. And if it is not possible to convert it into a multiple of 10, or you are facing problem to convert the denominator into a multiple of 10, then simply you can divide it also. Like we have to convert 2 whole 6 upon 8 into a decimal number. So first we'll convert it into improper fraction. 8 2s are 16, and 16 plus 6 is 22 upon 8. This is an improper form of this number. Now we will divide 22 by 8. 8 2s are 16. The remainder is 6. Now put the decimal here. There is no digit to carry forward, so we can put here decimal, and then we can carry 0 in every step. So how many times it is divisible now? 8 7s are 56. 56. Now the remainder is 4. We have already put it the decimal here, so on behalf of this decimal we can take 1 0 in every step. Now 8 5s are 40. So the decimal form of this number is 72.75. Okay. और इसको आप ऐसे भी देख सकते हो कि 8 को हम किससे मल्टीप्लाई करें कि वो कन्वर्ट हो जाए 10 के मल्टीपल में. So if we will multiply it by 125, then it will convert it into 1000. So you multiply 22 by 125. (2750) upon 1000. 3 zeros are there in the denominator, so before 3 digit we will put the decimal here. See, the answer is same in both the conditions, if whether we are dividing or we are converting the denominator into a multiple of 10. In both the conditions the answers are same. Now how can we convert the units? King Henry died. Mother did not cry much. This is the symbol of kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter and millimeter. Okay. So if we are moving from left to right, then we will multiply by 10, and if we are moving from right to left, then we will divide it by 10. So if we have to convert the centimeter into meter, so we are moving left to right, we will multiply by 10, and if we are converting millimeter into centimeter, then we are moving right to left, then we will divide by 100. So if we have to convert 45 millimeter into centimeter, then we will write the relation here. 1 millimeter equals to 1 upon 10 centimeter, then this is 45. 45 millimeter is equals to 45 upon 10. There is 1 0 in the denominator, so before one digit we'll put the decimal here, so 4.5 centimeter. In the same manner we can convert the rupees into paise. We must know the relation between the rupees and paise. 1 rupee is equals to 100 paise. Now tell me, what is the relation between paise and rupees? 1 paise is equals to how many rupees? 1 upon 100. Now if we have to convert 8 paise into rupees, then we will divide it by 100. 2 zeros are there in the denominator, so in numerator before 2 digit we'll put the decimal 0.08 rupee. Okay, in the next video we'll learn how to add or subtract the decimal numbers. Goodbye all of you.